glad you're here. I'm Candace, and on this video we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. This is the Boxycharm April 2020 base box. Alright, while I am getting into this box, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell too while you're there so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Let's see. This is what I see so far. This is a first look in my box. The theme this month is Festival Vibes, and I am variation 18. This box weighed in at 1.2 pounds. Let's see what we got. The first item I see here is going to be probably one of my favorite things. I already have a makeup eraser, but let me tell you, I did it the wrong way. Do you guys know that you need to wash your makeup eraser first before you use it? I was so excited to get mine. I have like the original pink one. I was so excited to get my makeup eraser that I just used it like right away that night and I messed it up. You need to wash it first. It activates all the fibers in the cloth. Oh, this cloth is so soft and so cute. It activates all the fibers in your cloth, and also it makes it where it's a little bit more stain resistant, because I went in and I took off a whole bunch of like dark mascara, I had like a smoky eye look, all my foundation, and it stained my cloth. So I am so excited that I get a second chance at the makeup eraser. This is awesome. Yes, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. The next item I have in here is from Elemis, and this is a superfood cleansing foam. I'm excited to try this foam because it's supposed to be packed with tons of nourishing superfoods. It's supposed to help lift off your makeup, get rid of all that dirt that's on your skin, and it's supposed to leave your skin feeling so hydrated and fresh looking, and your complexion is just going to be glowing and radiating. So I'm excited to try this. Just a pump or two in your hands, massage it in, and you are good to go. After you rinse that off, you should have really super hydrated and delightful looking skin. So I can't wait to give that a try. The next item I am pulling out is from Iconic London. This right here is the Illuminator. This is a super concentrated, highly pigmented liquid shine serum, and to me this is extremely terrifying, and I am quite intimidated by it. You should be able to put this in your foundation. You should be able to just blend it right onto your face. Can you guys see the back of my hand shine? Ooh. Will I try this? Yes. Will I be completely intimidated and terrified? Yes. This is a bottle of liquid fear for me. This is just like, woo. The next item I see here is a pack of brushes. So in this set we get 5 brushes, and one of the brushes, this green one right here, is actually dual-ended. So you get a spoolie and a brush. So fun. I love adding this to my collection. I feel like I'm getting a BoxyHug right now. Does anybody feel like that? Like, do you love your box this month? And last but not least, a full-size Benefit Professional Primer. Hot dog. I've only ever had a small sample of this. I really liked it. So I am happy to be the owner of a full-size Professional Benefit Primer. This is a really, really good primer, you guys. If you have not tried it, I do like it a lot. So I am really happy with this. But I will say, I did not get my choice item. I chose an eyeshadow palette because I always choose an eyeshadow palette. I did not get that. I think this Elemis product was in choice, maybe. I remember seeing it, but I did not pick it. I picked an eyeshadow palette, so I wonder what's up with that. That's a little bit of a bummer. That was everything that I received in this month's Boxycharm box. I'm going to go ahead and insert the value on the screen for you guys so you have that information. But thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you'd go ahead and do that for me. And while you're there subscribing, just click on that notification bell so you don't miss a future upload of mine. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!